Guys, I'm Lanoshka. Welcome to my channel. So today we are doing my second haul video because you'll love the first one so much. I mean, it's still ranking #1 on my charts. And to be honest, I did I went on another shopping spree before I recorded that video, but I couldn't club all of it together because it would be way too long. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. I got 16 items for rupees 3000 only. That comes to around 187.50 paise if you're calculating. And besides that, I also got rupees 500 voucher on a minimum purchase of rupees 1000 on the next bill for a limited time period only. So I'll tell you where I got this from and the pricing, and it's a try on haul, so do enjoy. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and leave a nice big fat thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Also, if you're wondering how pretty does this look, if you're wondering about this eye makeup, then I shot another video before this, and if you'd like to check out how to do this, please click on the link. I got 2 of these bags packed beyond capacity to show you. So let me get started with the very first one. So the first one is a top slash kurti that I got for 99 rupees only. So we're starting from the least and going up. Can you believe it? So this was priced at originally priced at $699, so 700 bucks. So I got this for 99 rupees only. That's because it was from a previous collection. So this was winter festive wear 2019, and I got this in 2021. So that's why I got it for 99 only. Oh my god, I really liked the print, the design on this. So it's something written in Hindi. It's that script, and it's like a gold foil kind of on this bluish material. Not exactly gold foil, but it does shine. So I really like this. It does have a belt, like a loop for a belt, but I didn't get a belt along, but that's okay. It fits fine, and you'll see now. So secondly, we have this kurta, which is rather long, and I love the colors and I love the print as well. It's very soft fabric, but I feel it has shrunk a bit. I wore it once. So the price of this was $399, and I got it for 120 rupees. Can you believe it? So nice. Have a look. Third, we have this really nice kurta, which is like a hot pink color. I love the color. It has this orange bits with a little bit of mirror work. It's a bit stiff material, not too stiff, and I think it would pair really nicely with orange leggings. For all practical purposes, I'm showing you with my orange leggings, but I do have to order some orange leggings to go on this. It could go on anything else also, like white or standard stuff, but I think color blocking would be nice with this, orange and pink. Like I love those kind of colors, just like boom. So this kurta I got for rupees 164.70 because it was on sale, 70% sale. So all of these items are on 70% sale, and the original pricing of this one was 549. Same with this, 549, and I got it for the same price, which is 165. So it's a really nice tomato red kurti, and I like this tie up over here with this like tassel kind of things, and I like the embroidery on this one. Really nice, very nice, loose, flowy, and you can see what I paired it with, but you can also go crazy and pair it with like green leggings and like very mirchi. I like that color, like red and green. It's like very chilly kind of feels. On to a higher pricing. So this kurta I got for $599. At the original price is $599, and I got it for 180 rupees, because this was also on 70% discount. Again, I like the, I like the feel of it. It's not as soft as the first kurta that I showed you, but it's very smart. I like this bit also. It looks very smart and goes nicely. It'll go nicely with white leggings. So next we have this very pretty kurti, like the red one, but this is like a brinjal purple, and I couldn't get my size. It was the previous one was S, and even though it's S, it's nice and loose. So this is a bit looser, but I don't know, I just love this work, the mirror work, and somehow I just really loved it. I also like the color, and so I've already ordered two color leggings. One is orange and green, so I think green will pair nicely with this. Also, if you don't know where I do most of my shopping from, you should check out the link over here, the first haul video, because I've explained pretty much everything there. Okay, going a little higher now. I got this originally priced at $8.99, so I got it for $2.70, and I really like the color. It's like creamish, and the stags or the reindeer are like dark brown, and I really liked it. I don't have something in this color. I love the fabric. It's really soft. So you must have seen by now that I got this. It's written Max. So I went to Max, the store in Margao, Gogol Margao, and they had this sale up until 31st Jan, I think, and a lot of the stuff was 70% off. So what happened is, in store I found that you have to scan some code, and if you're lucky you get certain vouchers. So when I scanned the code, I got that if you shop for rupees 3,000 and more, you get 300 rupees off. So the moment you told me that, I was like, I went and got more stuff, shopping, adding to my cart, and let me show you what happens next. So the next item was not on 70% discount. This was on 30% discount. So it's originally priced at $7.99, but I got this kurta for $5.49. So this is the most expensive piece of clothing that I got, but I paired it up with the others because the other two are different. So I'll show you what that looks like. But I really love this. I mean, it's so cute. I mean, besides the tie-up, and you know I already like this by now. But I mean, look at it. It's like lime green, and it has these fruits and vegetables on it. Fruits, I think mostly. It's like, oh god, so cute. And it has this, it's different. It has this different attachment, so it's more flare over here, and I really love this. So this next piece is more like dress kind of. You'll see when I wear it. It's really long, but this material is really easy, and I like materials that you don't have to iron, especially when you're traveling. This is so easy to carry, and it's like it can go on a lot of things. Like suppose I'm wearing my swimwear or bikini, I'm traveling places, like I'm going to a restaurant and then to the beach. I can just wear this underneath and it's fine. And I don't know, I really liked it. It really vibed with me, but it was a little loose even though it's in size S. So I paired it with a belt in order to cinch the waist. So the pricing is $1,049, and I got it for, how much did I get it for? I got it for $315. So the 10th piece of clothing that I got, this is priced at $1,299. It's a really nice long dress, and I wasn't sure at first because of the print. I don't know, but I like the design, and I like that it came paired with this belt that I can use on other things also. But I don't know. Okay, so the reason I bought this finally, I'll tell you why. So this is priced at 1299, which means I got it at a discount of I bought it for 390 rupees. So this is all that I like from the ladies section, and I really wanted that 300 off, and then I get another 500 voucher. So I went to men's clothing, even though my husband Rox was not with me. If you don't know my husband Rox, he's a real clown. He doesn't think so. He thinks he's funny. You should check out this video where he does my makeup. So anyway, I got a bunch of stuff for him, and he's really particular about size. He's very particular. He doesn't like sizing too big. So I'm going to quickly show you through what I got for him, but and we'll go back to my clothes after that. So I was thinking that if it doesn't fit him, then some of the things that I'm gonna try. He's obviously not gonna model for us, and he's not at home right now while I'm recording. But anyway, they're really cute, and let me show you. Let's quickly run through what I got for Rox. This is so cute. Oh my god, because and he loved it, by the way. He really loved this. It's written Zest the Citron, so like, you know, lemon zest. And he really liked this one, and he's been looking at a couple of, you know, shirts and t-shirts online which have like avo print and like fruity print, so I knew he would like that. And it's a bit loose for him, but he said he'll wear it. So this I love because of the color, but it seems a little too big, and I'm not sure if he's gonna wear it, honestly. So if he doesn't wear it, I'm gonna wear this as nightwear, because it, you know, even though it's for him, and like it fits me right, like just near cutting my thighs, or a little below, like, you know, touching my thighs, so that's perfect for nightwear, and it's like that very soft kind of material. Moving on, we have sleeveless, like something that he can wear to the gym, because you know, he keeps on piling stuff, you know, in the laundry bag. So, and also like I don't know, I thought it would look nice on his biceps. So I also got this one, this t-shirt. They're fitting him, they all fit him, but you know, not the, you know, perfect figure hugging, like, you know, he likes it fitting well on the chest, not loose on the chest, like slim fit, call it slim fit. And this one as well for the gym. And last, this lime green kind of color. So I got 10 items of my clothing, and 6 of these only to make it 3,000 rupees. So as I was telling you, I had 9 of my items, and then I quickly ran up to men's clothing, and I got this, and I was in a hurry because I had to get back to do something for certain work, and I was really scared because if he doesn't like it, I can't wear all the items of clothing, so then I would have to like go back, and they were not ready to, you know, obviously give the exchange for the same discount price, so I would have to pay 300 extra, you know, the 300 I got off. So anyway, yeah, so this was 3,000 for 16 items, and I went back and I shopped for more stuff off for that 500 rupees, 500 off. So let me show you what I got. This time, like, it was a minimum 1,000 rupees purchase, and yeah, so this time I got 2 leggings also. This was not on discount, this was 349, and I paid the full price because you know, like a little trick of mine is sometimes I wear my gym tights, Nike gym tights under my kurtas. I don't know why I used to do that. I think it's more comfortable, but I realize I need black leggings, and this is really nice. It's high rise, and it's really soft. It doesn't you know, form enough of those gathers down at the ankles, but it's nice. 349 for this. I paid full price. So I really love this one. I really love this palazzo pant that I got, and look at the print. It has some like leopard, you know, big cat kind of print going on, and you know, it's so cool, and I love the color, you know, orange and pink, and I think I'm going to pair this up with a top that I got from my previous haul, if you remember. And also it goes very well with the other kurtas, as you will see. So this is priced at $8.99 and I got it for 270 rupees, and it was a real steal and I loved it, and no regrets for anything actually, except maybe Rox's clothing. I don't know if he's too happy about that. Okay, anyway, moving on, my next kurta. This is like a dark blue, not even a navy blue. Like, it might appear black on camera, but it's like a dark blue. And I like the, you know, I don't like too much of black, so I like this colorful thing happening. And I can pair it with palazzos or regular pants also, and I really liked it. And this was on discount 70%, so it was $5.49 and I got it for $165. Okay, so what I forgot to tell you is that the offer was not valid on jewelry, so only on clothes, and it didn't matter if the discount was already there. Like, you know, this one is also 70%, so I could use my voucher 500 off on any of these things. So this I got, this was priced at $9.99 and 70%, so I got this for 300 rupees, and I really love this. It's like the stag one, but it's this color. Brings this to the end, but I just wanted to quickly end by showing you this that I got. You must be looking at my nail paint, and it might look blue. It's a bit like different color, like you go like that, but it's like a purple. I thought it was a lavender purple. Yeah, it's called Lavender Drizzle. It's in the number 7, one is by Nykaa, and I got this on Nykaa, and it was really nice. So I really hope you enjoyed this haul video. If you would like something else related to fashion, please let me know in the comments below. Have a lovely day, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.